Alright, let's be honest for a second. If you're looking for a tech careers that pay well and have strict demands and doesn't require you to be a genius, cloud engineering is one of the best options right now. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon runs almost everything on the cloud today. Every app you use, whether it is Netflix, Instagram, or online banking, rely on cloud infrastructure. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through a complete roadmap to become a cloud engineer from scratch. No confusion, just a clear path you can follow. Let's start with the basic. Cloud engineering is simply about running application and service over the internet instead of physical computer. Instead of owning server, company rents computing power from platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Now the big question is, how do you actually get started? Step 1 is understanding the fundamental. Before touching the cloud, you need to understand how computer and network work. Learn what a server is, learn how the internet works, understand concepts like IP address, DNS, and HTTP. Don't worry, you don't need to go super deep. Just get comfortable with the basic because everything else built on top of this. Step 2 is learning a programming language. You don't need to become a hardcore developer, but you should know at least one language. I recommend Python because it's simple and widely used in automation and cloud environments. Focus on basics like variables, loop functions, and simple script. The goal is to automate tasks, not build complex software. Step 3 is choosing a cloud platform. This is where things get exciting. You should pick one platform and stick with it. The most popular choice is Amazon Web Services. It dominates the market and has the most job opportunity. But Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud is also a great option. Once you pick one, start learning the core service. For example, in AWS, you will learn EC2 for virtual machine, S3 for storage, and ODS for the databases. Don't try to learn everything. Focus on understanding how these services work together. Step 4 is learning Linux. Most cloud servers run on Linux, so this is a must-have skill. Learn basic commands like navigating directory, managing file, installing software, and connecting to server using SA. At first, it might feel uncomfortable, I know, but once you get used to it, it becomes second nature. Step 5 is where you develop DevOps tool. This is what separates beginner from professional. Start with Docker. Docker allows you to package application into container so they can run anywhere. Then move to Kubernetes, which have managed the container at scale. Also learn CI/CD pipelines. This is how companies automatically deploy updates to the application. These tools are extremely valuable and highly demanded. Last step 6, and this is the most important part, build project. You cannot skip this. Don't just watch the role, actually build something. For example, you can deploy a simple website on AWS, or create a cloud-based file storage system, or set up an auto-scaling application. This project will become your portfolio, and they are what employers care the most. Step 7 is certifications. Certifications are not everything, but they help you get interview. A good starting point is the AWS Certified Solution Architect or Azure Fundamental. They validate your knowledge and make your resume stand out. Now let's talk about timeline. If you stay consistent, stay a few hours every day, you can become job release in about 6 to 12 months. Yes, it's possible, but consistency is the key, not motivation, not talent, just consistency. So here's your action plan. Start with fundamental, learn Python, pick a cloud platform, practice Linux, learn DevOps tool, build project, and get certified. Follow this roadmap step by step, and you will get there. Cloud engineering is one of the best careers paths right now, and the opportunity is still growing. So don't wait for the perfect time. Start today, because 1 year from now, you will either wish you started, and you will be glad that you did.